Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan with generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good. I hope you're feeling irie because we've got another fancy. Okay, pick a card for you today. Now, this just came just by just a song, like a song that just came to mind, and the lyrics that I sang just randomly was I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. So I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. Now, this blue moon, as they say, once in a blue moon, the next blue moon is coming up in 2037. So we got quite a while before the next blue moon comes. So we're going to have a look into their thoughts, their late night thoughts, and just anything that wants to pop up. So let's get into it. Eternity. T-Sippers, eternity. T-Sippers, eternity. Welcome, T-Sippers. Yeah. Right, how we're gonna do this? We're gonna do this a bit different. We got number one. Okay, so for pile one, we got number two. Okay, for number two, for pile two. Okay, and we got number three for pile three. So we are looking into their thoughts, just what we want to see what comes to mind. Okay, because there was a strong energy about. I'm gonna sing it again. Okay, I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. Yeah, I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. Hey, so we're gonna have a look and see what wants to pop up, okay? So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea, okay? So we got pile one, we got pile two, we got pile three. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage, okay, just to keep you feeling nice and hydrated as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems. I've got some water today. I did have a cup of coffee earlier. So I finished that. So I've got some water to keep myself hydrated, okay? So those intuitive gems can flow and flow. So okay, go to that number that's calling you as we bring in some good energy, okay, while I shuffle the deck. So, thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we are about to receive, okay, for this kind of special blue moon reading, okay, on the person on their mind, okay, this person that wants to come and into the read and give lots of vibrant messages to the collective. What do they need to hear right now? May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment every time and to have a bit of fun as well. So thank you. All right. So we got number one, number two, number three. Okay, go to that number that's calling you, and I will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are looking at number one for pile one, okay? So we're gonna have a look and see what messages want to come out of the cards, okay? What messages do you need to hear right now? Okay, so if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. Do have a look at all of the readings that are available. We also have a Summer of Love, okay, pick a card readings that are available every Sunday for the rest of the summer, okay. So do have a look. Right, let's get into it. So let's start with that, bring that energy with the song. Okay. I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. Yeah, I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. Okay, so we're bringing that energy. Now let's see what wants to unfold. Let's see who wants to come through. This could be the person on your mind, it could be a crush, it could be a current love interest, it could be an ex, okay? And we are also in the Mercury retrograde, okay? So this energy could also bring somebody who wants to return, someone who may want to have some communication with you. So it's always about trusting your intuition and using your discernment every time. All right, let's see what messages wants to come out for part one. Okay, so who is thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon? Okay. Ooh, we got one that fell on the floor. It fell on the floor. There's a lot of energy here. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh. Hey. Okay, so we have the Six of Cups. So you know what that means. The Six of Cups, there's been some energy between you. This could be somebody. They could still be in your current energy right now. They could be wanting to return into your current energy. This could be, it could be somebody that you've had some like, let's say it's some history with. Okay, now I feel like this person, the message that I'm getting is that they want to return. They want to see if there's still love there between you two. It could be also somebody where there might have been some kind of separation and you've both gone on your like separate paths, and now this person wants to see if there's any opportunities for you to be able to come back and make things right. This is the message I'm getting. We're just gonna have a look and see what's significant at the front and the back of the deck. Okay. So we have the Ace of Wands here. So with the Ace of Wands here, there could be some still like some strong passionate energy here. There could also be some BD energy, okay, BDE energy, okay. Okay, so some big energy going on. There could also be some kind of drive and wanting to come towards you. Let's hear what's that signal. Oh, so there's we have the Ace of Wands and there's love here. So this person has a lot of love here. They do have a lot of love. Let's see what's up behind here. The star, look at that, the star. We do have the Page of Swords here. So this could be, and I feel like this also is significant of this could be someone from your recent past. Someone who could have been still kind of like keeping tabs or seeing what maybe what you're getting up to on social media or things like that. Perhaps there've been some messages, or they may have planned to want to message you. Now I feel drawn to have a look in the middle. So we have the King of Wands. So I feel like the King of Wands is like this person is like wanting to use the power of the blue moon. Okay, think of again, the blue moon is very significant because it's the energy of the full moon, but it also represents this energy of wanting to do something out of the ordinary. Okay, and I feel like the energy of the blue moon is really calling this person to take a leap of faith. Okay, the King of Wands energy, to take that leap of faith and to use this energy to go and do what they want to do, which is to come forward and tell you how they truly feel about you. All right, so we're gonna have a look now at some messages. Okay, we're gonna start with the Jamaican proverbs. We always have to bring the Jamaican proverbs. Okay, we just had a little bit of a reggae kind of lovers rock kind of feel. Okay, might just, you know, if you don't mind, just to keep bringing that energy into the read, I'm just gonna keep singing that song. Okay, I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. Let's see what wants to come through in the cards. Oh la la. So we have self-praise. Self-praise and no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. Perhaps this could have been the energy that you may have experienced with this person. Perhaps I feel like there could have been a level of cockiness to them or arrogance to them. And I feel like this person has had to take some time to recognize that they may have had this behavior, and it's making them realize how it could have also created issues in this union. Okay, because look, we have this message here: don't always be quick to be boastful. Let others praise you. Let others praise you. Okay, and I feel like this person is now recognizing it. But it's like this energy. It could also be the Six of Cups can also represent that inner child energy. Okay, it could also represent that energy of things that they've seen, things that they witnessed, things that they observed. It could have also been they may have had their own insecurities, and to fill that void that their insecurities may have had on them, or the impact it had on them, is to try to be the biggest roaring lion around others, because then that's the idea that, oh look, I look strong, I look, even at times when maybe they didn't feel so confident. And it could also been they wanted to impress you, but in that process it could also have been used, like I feel like it's also the message that you could have been very intuitive in the sense that you recognize that there were some insecurities there. And I feel like the time apart has made them realize the importance of working on those insecurities, working on their self, becoming more confident and at ease with who they are. Okay, and not feeling like you have to constantly be on this drive to impress others. Okay, and I feel like this is why there's a strong energy. Look at this with the star, wanting to heal, looking back, okay, on this blue moon. Okay, ooh la la. So we are gonna now look into the juicy messages now. Okay, so we've got the late night thoughts here. We have some "I see you looking at me" messages, and we have some messages and from this deck. Okay, so this could be messages from like their higher self, the divine masculine to the divine feminine, things they want to say to you. Okay, some hobbies and interests to help you to know who they are. So let's have a look in these messages, and we also have some name tag messages. So we're gonna look into a couple of these messages. Okay, all right. So let's have a look. Starting with this deck, messages they want to know right now. So who is this person? Okay, it could be the person on your mind right now who's coming to your mind, but who is this person? Reveal yourself to the collective. So to the collective who chose pile 1, reveal yourself to the collective. Reveal yourself to the collective. Ooh, we have. So they could be a music lover. Now, this read really came through. Just really came through just through song. I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. So this person could really enjoy music. Perhaps there could have been a song that you both had that you enjoyed with one another, okay, or some kind of memory, or something around music, okay, or the gathering of music, okay. It could have been like a romantic song, okay. Put it in the comments, let us know, okay. Let's see what else. Okay, so they're giving us a bit of a reveal. They also have a very diverse taste when it comes to music. Okay, very diverse taste. And it could be that they're very open to trying new things. Right, let's see. Any more messages? Reveal yourself. Reveal yourself to the collective. Okay, we have, they could be very tech savvy and into gadgets. Okay, what else do you want them to know? Any more messages for the collective? Oh, yes, we have a flyaway, so I'll just quickly pick that one up. Okay, we have here, I get nervous around you because my feelings are real. I get nervous around you because my feelings are real. So this could be someone who's in your current energy right now. This could be an ex. This could be a crush. Okay, we look at what's popping out. We have full lips. This could be something that they really admire about you. It could be something that they have as well, but I feel like it's something that they really admire about you. Okay, let's go through all these messages here and see what they want to tell you. So we have, I long to explore every corner of your mind and heart. We have enjoys painting and artwork. So this person could be very creative. Okay. And again, the message today came through song. Okay. This whole read is all focused around the message that came through via song. We have, you challenge me to be a better person, and I'm grateful for that. Now, I feel like this could have something to do with a past energy or the energy that you carry. It inspires this person to want to do better for themselves, okay? But also in a way to be better, to show up better in the world and to show up better in the union, okay? Because we have here with this Jamaican proverb, self-praise is no recommendation, okay? Self-praise is no recommendation, okay? Don't just wait, don't just go around boasting about how good you are. Let that energy come and flow to you. Bookworm, avid reader. So they could be an avid reader, they could enjoy books. Okay, we have, you make even the most ordinary and mundane moments feel amazing. Oh la la. We have well-groomed beard. So this person can have a well-groomed beard. Okay, what else do they want you to know? Let's have a look. Okay, we have your energy. Your energy alone brings me a sense of calm and comfort. Okay, any messages from their high self? You know, these messages can be coming from the high self, but we're just looking for that divine masculine to the divine feminine. So the DM to DF. Let's see if there's any message that will come up. We have fit and toned physique. This could be something that they really like about you. It could also be something that it could be that they also are very fit and toned or like to work out and look after themselves. Let's see what other messages they want you to know right now. Ooh la la, we have, I'm amazed by your resilience in the face of adversity. So this person could be really, really admire you. We have muscular build, muscular build. We have fashion forward and trendy. We have, you make me feel alive in every way. Okay, now the song that's coming to mind is You Make Me Feel So Mighty Real. Okay, I think it's Sylvester. Yes. I felt a spark every time we touch. It is hard to ignore. Okay. You're the missing piece that completes the puzzle of my life. Hey, what else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? Where is it? We have distinctive tattoos. They may have distinctive tattoos. I feel like those, here it is. We have radiant skin. It could be something that they really admire. Okay. Any more messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? So the DM to the DF. Ooh, look at this. We have confident stride, expressive eyebrows. You bring out the side of me that I didn't know existed. Straight here. Yoga, meditation, and practitioner. So this could be something perhaps you do as like some kind of recreational activity, to way to relax, to unwind. Okay, right. Last shuffle. Usually when we say last shuffle, it's like rah, I gotta say all the things now. Right. So let's see. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Woo wee. Okay. Your intelligence and wit impress me more than you know. That we have here. Your strength and resilience inspire me to be stronger and invite growth in my life. And we have light colored eyes. Now, I'm not sure if I've said this one, but I'm drawn back to this one. You bring a side of me that I didn't know existed. You bring out a side of me that I didn't know existed. Okay. All right. So now we are going to look at some name tags. Let's look at key tags. Let's look at some key tags and see what's to come out for the collective. Okay, we're going to bring back that energy again, although it's very strong here, but I'm getting a message to sing that song again. Okay. I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. Okay, let's see what was to come through. Yippee! Okay, we have, we can see that thinking of our memories warms my heart. Can you see that? Hope it can get a bit of better focus. No, the focus is not that great. Right, so thinking of our memories warms my heart. That's it. You are so sexy. And we can see that with the Ace of Wands. Yeah. So this person thinks you are so hot. You're a hot girl. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. So hot. You're a hot girl. Ooh, so hot. Yeah, you're a hot girl. Okay. I love the way you look at me. I love the way you look at me. Who is this person? Let it sit with your intuition. Who is this person? I'm sorry. Look, I'm sorry. And we said earlier, there is a strong reconciliation energy here with the Six of Cups. Okay, I'm sorry. We have, I was wrong. And we can see that energy with the Jamaican proverb, this energy about self-praise, perhaps also maybe taking things for granted, okay, as well as taking the union for granted. It's like this person's realizing they was wrong. What else do they want to tell you? We have, every moment with you is a beautiful chapter. Every moment with you is a beautiful chapter. And we have here, your eyes speaks a language only my heart understands. Only my heart understands. And look at this. Ooh, what did we just sing? I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. And look what the message is here. I hope you can see that. You are always on my mind. Yeah. You are always on my mind. A little bit of Elvis Presley there. You are always on my mind. Oh, there's another one. SWV. You always on my mind. Yeah, yeah. You always on my mind. Yes, you are always on my mind. Look at that. So let's hear this one. Thinking of you, and this is the Six of Cups energy. Thinking of you, thinking of our memories warms my heart. Look at this. Thinking of The memories warms their hearts. Ooh wee! Ooh wee! Okay, we're gonna have a quick look at their intentions. Let's pull out the good karma and see what messages want to come out for this person. What are their true intentions towards you? What are their true intentions towards you? Ooh wee! A lot of energy here. A lot of cards just falling for you. Ooh wee! We have the Knight of Pentacles. So with the Knight of Pentacles, this is somebody who wants to take really, like, they want to, it's like they are looking at this. Look at what's going on with the in the imagery. It's like they're taking their time to build, to repair. Okay, and I feel like this person is wanting to do that. Okay, but again, taking baby steps. And I feel like it's also respecting boundaries, respecting that there could have been some time apart. There could be things that they need to work on themselves, before they can come back. But I feel like there's a genuine energy of wanting to repair, okay? Not just from where you left off, but it's also now that they've had some time to bring in some new energy around them, work on those insecurities, work on themselves to come back as a better shaped, well-informed person, okay? Or even taking the time to become more molded in their attitudes in life, okay? I hope this is making sense, okay? Let's have a look and see what's significant at the front, at the back. So we have the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so this could have been an energy of recognizing perhaps the time apart. It's made them, I feel like it's also shattered a lot of the attitudes that they had, a lot of the values. Perhaps it could have brought back the sense, that feeling of brought back to home this energy of trying to constantly impress others, and they let themselves down in that they were focusing on the wrong things. They weren't prioritizing the right things. Okay? Because look what we have. In that process of them not prioritizing the right things, this is what happened to this union. Look at this. This is the Two of Cups. The Two of Cups. I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. So on this blue moon, this is like sitting heavy on their heart. How can they repair this? Because look at what's here. The Two of Wands in reverse. Wanting to come to you, but not knowing where to start, how to even try to go through, how to even proceed. Okay, not sure whether there is any kind of like opportunity in making this happen. Perhaps they could even be talking about this conversation and saying maybe they don't know if this could be repaired. They do want it, but now it's making that first step. Okay. Now I feel drawn to pull from the middle. Because look, yes. We have the Sun in the reverse. So this person does feel like, I feel like this person feels really, there's a heavy heart. Like this person really hopes one day, okay, that the sun will shine its light, and hopefully one day that this can be repaired. Okay, look at with the Knight of the Pentacles here. They may understand it may take some time, it might be slow in the process, but really hoping that it can be prepared, it can repair, and it can build something promising. Okay, and we can see there's Ace of Wands here, so there's like an energy, a drive to wanting to repair, to heal. The star is the energy of healing. Okay, now this person could be any sign, because we're seeing the Cups energy, which represents the water energy. So this could be the Scorpio, the Pisces, the Cancer. We have the Pentacles energy, which represents the earth sign. So this could be a Capricorn, a Taurus, a Virgo. And we have the fire sign, which represents the, so we have the wands, which represents the fire energy. So this could be like a fire sign, such as a Sagittarius, an Aries, or a Leo. Okay. And at the back of the deck, yes, we have the water energy here. So there's a strong water energy here. Okay. As well as we can see with the star and the page of swords, that there's a strong air energy here. So it could be Aquarius, a Libra, or a Gemini. So this could be anyone, okay? They could have, perhaps they could have a lot of these, or carry these energies, okay, about them. Especially with the fire energy and this energy to boast, okay? A confident stride did pop up. That could possibly be perhaps the way they present themselves at times, okay? All right. So let's have, as we looked into the intentions, we're going to have a look into their late night thoughts now, okay? Let's have a look into their late night thoughts and see what's to come through. Ooh, okay. They couldn't wait. It was like, no, I just want to tell my story. Okay, so we have the last time I saw them, their eyes were filled with longing, okay, matching the desire in my heart. Okay, the last time. So the last time they saw you, there's a strong energy about focus on the last time they saw you. The last time they saw you. Okay. And I feel like this could be why the energy came through. It's like they're focused on now those memories of you. Because we have here their captivating eyes hold a mystery that makes me want to unravel their secret, every secret. Ooh la la. And we have, in their embrace, I find solace, safety, and a love that knows no bounds. So this person just feels safe and secure. But I feel like they feel like they've let themselves down big time. Big time. And again, it could have been just prioritizing the wrong things. I feel like that's what the energy is here, really prioritizing the wrong things. The outer appearance, but not really looking at how the outer appearance was now impacting the union as well as their inner self. Okay. Okay, any more late night thoughts that they have? Any late night thoughts? Any more during this blue moon and what they're thinking about you? Okay. Yes, we have here the last time. So again, there's a lot of strong, there's a strong energy about the last time. The last time I saw them smile, it was as if the world was suddenly a brighter place. You know what? If we see a lot of these messages coming through, we might just call this the last time I saw you. Pick a card reading, because there seems to be a strong energy here. Right, so we have, in the quiet of the night, I feel their heartbeat against mine, a rhythmic symphony of love. So again, there's a strong energy of like, I feel like they at times they may, when they think about you, is like try to connect again. There's the energy of back to that song, the song lyric, I'm thinking about you and the things that you do. Okay, so the things that you do, that could also be like, it's like they're connecting, still connecting with you. Okay, and we can see that with the page of swords being here. Look at that. Look at the page of swords, and look what's behind it. Perhaps they could be working on themselves, trying to become more confident in themselves. They're still trying to work out if there's any options. Look what's here. If they should take that full chance, should they be the fool in this situation and take a lead? All right. So let's see if there's any more messages that you need to see. Any more messages you need to see for pile one. Yes, thank you. We have the way they explore every inch of my skin. Makes me feel worshipped and adored. So I feel like this person could be having lots of memories, lots of like fantasies. It could be it could be where their mind draws them every time when they think about you. So, based on these messages, we're gonna have a look now at I see you. I know you. I see you looking at me. Let's see for power one. We're gonna bring in that energy again. I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. So let's see. Who is this person that's coming through? Reveal yourself to the collective. Reveal yourself to the collective. We have a goatee beard. So they may have a goatee beard. What else? Muscular. This person could be very muscular. Black hair. We have strong arms that make you feel safe and cherished. Ooh la la. They're revealing themselves. Ooh, yes, look at that one. Let's try and get it. Okay. We have hands that move with grace and purpose. Perhaps they could they could be very creative with their hands. This could be like a sign here. Ooh la la. Okay, what else do they want you to know? Okay, we have a casual yet stylish sense of fashion that's uniquely his own. Uniquely his own. Okay, we have hey, here we go. I see you looking at me, and I know my tousled hair gives off that casual yet captivating vibe you can't resist. Ooh la la. We have a confident, again, look at this strong energy about confidence, confidence, strong energy. We saw it with the Ace of Wands here, okay? A confident, graceful posture that exudes self-assuredness. Okay, we have dimples, so they may have dimples, and we have bald. They could be also bald. So they could have hair, and they could maybe not have hair. Okay, what else do they want you to know? Any more messages? Any more messages? Right, so leave that here. We got braids, cornrows. We have gray hair. Okay. We have a presence that draws you in, making you feel at ease. And we have brown skin. Okay. Brown skin. So for you, brown skin could be very significant. Okay. Let's see if there's any more messages that want to come through. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Ooh. Okay. Last shuffle. Ooh, look at that. Look at the energies coming through. We have long hair. Okay. We have a captivating scent that lingers long after he's gone. Ooh wee. Okay. We have brown eyes. We have olive skin. We have glasses. We have hazel eyes. We have curly hair. We have hands that are both skilled. Look at this. Hands that are hands that are both skilled and comforting. Okay. A presence that draws you in, making you feel at ease. Okay. Strong, broad shoulders that offer a sense of protection. So, there are lots of messages here from this person that is thinking about you on this blue moon season. Okay, so we're going to end this read now with a couple of messages. Okay, we're going to have a look at the surrender messages. Let's have a look and see what needs to be surrendered. Okay, as we kind of gathered some of the message that needs to surrender, it's like, it's that I guess it's that confidence energy of wanting to come forward. So let's have a look and see what wants to come through for the collective who chose pile one. Okay, this person that's thinking about them. We've got lots of messages from the last time they saw them. Okay, how they feel and how their late night thoughts, just their current feelings, thoughts and feelings, and what they're thinking about them. Okay, so let's have a look and see what needs to come through regarding this person. We have surrender to the wisdom of your body. Listen to your body's messages about a person or situation. If you feel physically drained or uncomfortable, be cautious. If you are energized and happy, move forward. So this is a message here. Listen to how your body feels. And this is a message for all of us, you know. You like this is something that we can recognize that whoever you are around, your circle, the people you come across, recognize how you feel. Do you feel really uplifted when they're around you, or do you feel like you just feel drained and you just it's like I I can't wait till this conversation is done. Okay, I feel like this is an important message here. But I feel like perhaps this person could have also had this issue where there, again, this energy about being boastful, that could have had a draining energy, okay? And perhaps they've had to take that time to recognize that trying to mask insecurities with being boastfulness also came at a great loss, okay? Came at a great loss. Okay, now just feeling drawn to pull one more. One more for the collective, please. Oh, okay. We have surrender to your soul's path. Your life journey has been perfectly designed for your soul's growth. So embrace every lesson and every moment. So this person could be recognizing that, okay, that they need to embrace this. Now, I did say it was the last one, but because this one it's like trying to, we're just gonna have a quick look at it. Look at this. Surrender to obsessive thinking. So if you're obsessing about a person or a situation, turn the dilemma over to spirit. Doing so will help to bring clarity or even solve the problem. And we could kind of see this energy here with the Page of Swords. Perhaps the person could be trying to think about what's going on, you know, what step they could take. And it's really like them needing to seek clarity and recognize that those answers will come, you know, when they stay still and when they give that ability to just trust, okay? Right. So last but not least, darling, honey, we are looking into some traveling intuitive messages. Let's see for the collective who chose pile one, what do they need to see regarding this person who's trying to come through in those rays to give these intuitive, juicy gems to you. All right, let's have a look. Ooh, something feels like it wants to come out. Okay. Ooh, wait, look at this. We're gonna go through the ones that we see popped out, but look at this energy. There's a strong energy of like there's definitely this. I feel like this person could have this confidence stride in them, and it's perhaps they just have to work on that. But I feel like if you look at the energy of it's like it could be, we could say it's a panther. Okay, it could be like this strong energy of wanting to come towards you, wanting to embrace new experiences with you. It could also represent this energy of they've taken that time to do some work, to do some inner work, and now they're looking beyond now and recognizing that and wanting to see if there's still hope there for the two of you. Okay? Because look at this, we have this kind of energy of this cat. Perhaps there could have been an animal or a pet because there's a strong pet energy here. It could that they want to kind of perhaps reconcile over a pet, or wanting to be cuddled like your closest pet, okay? Wanting to brush off all the things from the past and start anew with you. Start anew with you. The message I'm getting is like this person recognized that you were always there, a soulmate, and always a soulmate. All right, so we're gonna just pull one more and let's see what else wants to come through. Yes, one fell through. Look at this one. Now the song that's come to mind is Lisa Stanfield. Been around the world and I can't find my baby. So they've been around the world, but they may have traveled, gone a lot, and it's still you. I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. So they're still thinking about you. So I feel like this person could maybe recognizing that they need to do some inner work, do some healing, and wants to heal that part of them when it comes to you. Even make amends, because we can see again with the Knight of Pentacles being here, or Knight of Coins, even if it's just baby steps, they do want to work things out with you. And we can see from the back of this deck, although look at this, although I was trying to get the back, but we can see the Two Pentacles here. So it's like trying to see if there's an, you know, if they can work it out, can they create a balance here? They may want to message you. Look what's here. Look what's here. Look what's here. Messages of love coming through. Okay. Someone wants to give their cup. So we're going to leave it here. We're going to leave it here. But what do you see? The Page of Wands. So there could be some messages coming through. And we see the Ace of Cups. And we have the Two of Cups being here. So there's definitely strong energy of love and wanting to reconnect. So we're going to leave it here. But to the collective who chose pile 1, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take the message that resonates and leave with the sacred power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, stay hydrated, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a beat round here. Give us a thumbs up, share, and comment. Okay? And if you haven't already, click on that subscribe button. You don't want to miss a beat round here. Come and join the Love and Light family. And just look good, feel good, stay blessed. And I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people. Wagwan tea tippers. Wagwan mid generals. So we are on number 2. And we are looking into the cards and see what message wants to come for the collective, what wants to come forward for the collective under pile 2. Okay, so if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. Click on that, on the thumbs ups, give us a like to help us to grow this channel. Okay, and let these good vibrations travel across the pond, around the world. Okay, so we can gather those good, intuitive, juicy gems. Okay, and do have a look across the channel for all of the different types of readings that are available. There is also Summer of Love readings that are available every Sunday for the rest of the summer. Okay, and I hope you've got something nice, like a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice, or some like kind of like snacks to keep you feeling nice and hydrated as we gather the intuitive gems. Now we are looking into this the song, there was a message that came through in song, okay? And the song went something like this. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Okay, I'm thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. So we're gonna have a look and see what messages want to come through for pile 2. So let's see Wagwan. Okay, and Wagwan just simply means in Jamaica Patois, what's going on? What's going on? That's what we're gonna do. All right. So let's have a look and see what wants to come through. We're going to sing that song again, just bringing that energy into the room, okay? This could be a person in your mind, it could be a crush, it could be someone from your recent past, it could be an ex. We're going to see, okay? I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. We have the lover's card. So it's someone who sees you as a lover, it's someone who has love for you. There could have also been some kind of like choices or decisions. It could be somebody who wants to have harmony with you. Okay, perhaps Gemini could have also the energy of the Gemini, okay, or the energy of that season. Okay, think of the Gemini season, late May to June. Perhaps there could have been some kind of energy going on there. Okay, there could have been some strong thoughts or feelings. Perhaps there could have been some messages. Okay, so perhaps there could have been some feeling of harmony or wanting to seek harmony. Okay, or this person maybe have like an air in their birth chart. They could be an air sign. Okay, or you could be an air sign. Okay, but there's a strong energy of wanting to repair, wanting to connect. Okay, there's a strong energy of thinking about you and the things that you do on this blue moon. Now, as we said, blue moon is like once in a blue moon. The next blue moon is 2037. So we're gonna see what messages really want to come through. Let's have a look and see what's significant at the front and at the back. We have the Seven of Cups. So with the Seven of Cups being here, this is the energy of like perhaps there could have been lots of distractions. This person could feel overwhelmed, not sure what choice to make. Again, as we explore the Lovers card can also represent seeking harmony in your choices and your decision making. Okay, perhaps this person is feeling a bit lost or not sure what action to take right now when it comes towards you. Okay, but I do feel like they do want to pick something. Perhaps they could be even trying to work out a gift that they can offer you at this time. Okay, because look what we have. The Chariot. This person wants to come to you. Okay, now seeing with that we've got the Seven of Cups and we have the Chariot here. Okay, there is a strong water energy here, and look what's behind it as well, the Two of Swords. So there's a lot of strong energy, thoughts and feelings. This person wants to come towards you with the Chariot, but I feel like with the Seven of Cups being here and the Two of Swords being here, as we can see the Two of Swords, this person could be trying to think, and I feel like it's almost like they want to make the best decision. They want to put the best foot forward and does not want to, because look at that. The Wheel of Fortune is here. So this person could be really thinking at this time, how can they best approach you? But they want to approach you with this energy of love. This energy of love. Okay? Look at that. Now, I feel drawn to pull from the middle, so we're going to have a look and see what messages wants to come through in the middle. We have the Knight of Swords. So this person wants to come, this person wants to communicate, this person wants to talk to you. They could be the same age as you, okay? Or they could be slightly younger, okay? Or they could be slightly older, or carry this energy of youthfulness about them. This could also be displayed in their energy of wanting to make contact and wanting to come towards you right now. Okay, all right. So we are going to look into the Jamaican proverbs and see what message wants to come through. Now we're bringing that energy again. Okay, let's sing that song. Can you sing it with me? I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Okay, I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Okay, so let's see what wants to come through. Ooh, we got two messages. Yeah, we have, if you can't catch Kwaku, if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him shirt. So if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him shirt. So the idea is like, this could either almost be like to be strategic with somebody. Okay, it could also be trying to seek revenge. It could be trying to figure out, if you can't go through this loophole, you try to find another way to get around it. But you're gonna find a way of getting through to this person. So it could, okay. So it can be this energy of being strategic. It could be this energy of revenge, getting your own back, traps. Now, in regards to this, I feel like this is again figuring out how they can get back you. How they can get back you. Now, I'm not getting any energy of like, in Jamaican culture, we will say bad mind energy, and then we have good mind. So good minded energy is like good intentions. Okay, we might if put it in the comments down below if you want us to create a kind of like a new segment like good intentions, bad mind intentions. Put it in the comments down below. Okay, but the idea of a good minded intentions is like, do we see with the Lovers card? They do have true intentions of love. They do have true intentions of wanting to come towards you. And look how it's fallen on the power of two, the energy of two. Okay, I'm getting the message of the Spice Girls again. When two becomes one, I need some love like I've never been loved before. Wanna make love to you, baby. Had a little love, now I'm back for more. Hey, okay, big up, big up, big up, big up. If there's any Spice Girl fans out there, okay. So that was always one of my favorites, and there was another one. I wanna make you hot. All right, let's just get off. We're going back on a tangent. We're going on a tangent now. Right, with the Lovers now, it's like they want to come and return. They want to connect with you on a deeper level, and I feel like they really want to kind of say how they truly feel. Okay, perhaps there could have been, if this is a crush, if this is a current love interest, or an ex, I feel like it's like they really want to tell you, if they never had the opportunity, or perhaps they didn't take the opportunity at the time. I feel like there could have been some kind of fear. Maybe if you look at what's going on with the Lovers card, it kind of representing the energy of the Adam and Eve energy, that they're both kind of like naked, representing the energy of like they're mirroring one another's energy, but it's at the same time there's also temptation around them, and perhaps there could have been some kind of temptation, distractions, because we can see that with the Seven of Cups, that could have impacted this energy. Okay, and and then led to this energy needing some kind of growth or expansion, or someone needing to kind of do some inner growth or expansion. Okay, and we have here, and not everything come from above is a blessing, and not everything that come from above is a blessing. So, and not everything that comes from above is a blessing. And this is like the energy that perhaps with the Seven of Cups showing up here, perhaps somebody thought that they had a good opportunity. Perhaps it could have been a job, or it could have been some kind of external influence, perhaps some friends or things like that. Maybe when it could have impacted this union, or taking the time to get to know you on a deeper level, or not making time for this union. And perhaps they're realizing that the amount of time that they spent on, and I'm getting minuscule things, it then impacted them on building this union. And I feel like this person's recognizing it, because they're recognizing they had to cut this behavior because it wasn't serving them. But look what's here. The Wheel of Fortune is saying, if you both want it, there's an opportunity here. And perhaps this could be why this strong message of, um, I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Because they're probably thinking, perhaps this could be my chance. Perhaps this could be a chance to make things right. Okay, I want to come towards you. I want to come towards you. I want to message you. How do you feel about that, Jane? How about it if we, give this a try? And it's like it's almost like they're getting the courage to come towards you and feel confident about taking this action. And the last couple of days in August, okay, the Strength card can also represent the energy of the August season, okay. There's like this energy. They still want to come towards you. They might have some kind of apprehensions, or perhaps they can feel like is they could be, or they could have been like contemplating for a while. Is this still, does Jenny still want this? Because I want to reveal myself. I want to show I want to show the King of Cups that's in me, that caring, loving, nurturing person. But I'm not sure if this is what you want. I'm not sure if this is what you want. But I would like to start a new. Let's start a new. Let's just start everything new. And whether it's like, of course, working on the things that we need to put to bed, like any issues that was there, but can we take this time to really work on ourselves? Let's do this healing. I've been taking myself, I feel like I'm getting the message of, I've been taking myself to therapy, working on my own. I'm getting the message in a child issues that I needed to work on. And the more I've taken that time, it's like I feel more confident and to show up and embrace the love that you were giving me and showing me, because now I've taken that time to recognize that I accept it and that I'm worthy of love and I'm deserving of love. And I'm sorry, Jane, for how I may have treated you, how I've treated you before, because I recognized there was a void in me that I needed to fill. Oh, whoa! How do you feel about this? I hope we can work this out. Can I message you? Can I give you my Two of Cups? There's a strong energy of love here. Okay. So this person's like, they're recognizing it. Some opportunities may come with a consequence. Okay. So let's say a superior position to dispose the unfortunate. Use your discernment. And perhaps this person is now recognizing it, because this, especially with the six, this card, the energy of the six, okay, and the Lovers card, okay. This is the energy of seeking balance, seeking harmony. Okay, there's a blessing here, but it's also the Lovers card in reverse. Okay, in the tarot, we can say it's the Devil card, because it's like the choices that we've made can then lead to some serious consequences. Okay, or how we get or delve in temptation or things like that. And I feel like there was an energy of this person needed to work on this energy. If we look here, it's like this person is getting lost with all the stuff that's going on around them. And it's like this clear reminder. Look at the snake again with the temptation, and we have the snake here again. Okay, this is really giving this Adam and Eve kind of energy here of resisting that energy, putting that to bed, cutting it, recognizing that it's not working on that work, it's not helping them in any shape or form. And I feel like this person has come to that reasoning, whether it could have been some kind of like friends who were, or like things that weren't aligned with them. I feel like it's a strong energy that this person recognized that there was a lot of things around them that was not aligned with what they truly want, their true purpose. And I feel like with the Wheel of Fortune, it was like this energy that came back to say, look, you need to go and get what it is that you truly want and stay strong in your choices and your decisions. Yes, you might feel like, oh my gosh, um, this is happening, but don't fear the change. Embrace that shift because it's gonna bring you bigger and better opportunities. Even when things don't look like it's working out for you, it still is because you are putting to bed things that are not serving you, that are not aligned with you. Okay, and I feel like this is what this person is recognizing. Okay, they're recognizing this. So we're gonna pull out some messages now. Okay, let's start with these key tags and see what messages want to come through. Okay, I'm gonna sing that song again. Can you sing it with me? Come on, let's sing it together. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Let's see what wants to come out. Okay, so we have your happiness means the world to me. Your happiness means the world to me. Thinking of our memories warms my heart. So they have strong memories, and and I feel like this is why that song, I'm thinking about you and the things you do, because they have some strong memories. Look at this. Can I call you? I feel like there's a message of wanting to break the ice. They want to break that ice, communicate. As we saw the Knight of Swords earlier, the Chariot wanting to come. Okay. Can we meet up for coffee? Can we meet up for coffee? Right, we do have the coffee tins. We're gonna pull out let's pull out a couple of messages when we see that coffee message. Let's meet up for coffee, yeah. Ooh, let's meet up for coffee, yeah, yeah. Let's meet up for coffee, yeah. Let's meet up, hey, meet up for coffee. Right, just giving some good energy to the coffee tin. Right, so let's have a look and see for the lovers, okay? What does this person want to say? If they called you right now, let's have a look at some messages. We have, I'd love to explore your favorite local spots. How about we meet up for coffee and discover new places together? We have, I, I've been curious. I've been curious about your favorite hobbies. Let's grab a coffee and bond over our shared interests. Hey, we have here. I'd love to know more about your favorite movies. Let's grab a coffee and discuss our cinematic preferences. Ooh la la. So I feel like this could be, this energy of really wanting to take time. Take time. Prioritize you. Prioritize you. Look at you. This is you. Forgetting all this now. It's like, it's you. And I feel like this is person having to get clear to recognize it's you I want. It's you I want. It's you I want. It's you I want. It's you. It's you I want. It's you. Hey, I see you. I see you looking at me. Ooh, so you know what that means? We're gonna pull out the I see you looking at me deck. We're gonna have a look at those. What's gonna come up through from that deck. Right. We got oops. You are so sexy. So this person is, they're mesmerized by you. They're mesmerized by you. You go, girl. You keep that going. Yes, indeed. We have every moment with you is a beautiful chapter. I hope you can see that. Every moment with you. Let's see if we can get a bit of focus. Yep, okay. Every moment with you is a beautiful chapter. All right. You are always on my mind. Okay, this did pop up for Power 1 as well. So the song that's coming to mind is SWV. You always on my mind. You always on my mind. Hey. All right, so let's have a look now at I see you looking at me. I see you looking at me. I see you looking at me, yeah. So for Power 2, let's see what messages. Oh, we have long hair. So they may like your long hair. They may have long hair, okay? We have curly hair, brown eyes. We have hands that are both skilled and comforting, okay? Ooh la la. Let's have a look. Reveal yourself to the collective. Okay. Reveal yourself to the collective. For the collective who chose Power 2, what do you want to tell them right now? Okay. That the message that came through is let's sing that song again. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Yeah. Let's have a look and see. Okay. Yes, they're coming through. We have. I see you. I'm gonna try to put it in my voice. Okay. I see you, Jane. I see you looking at me. And I know you appreciate my hands. Strong hands, yet gentle, capable of protection and tenderness. So capable of both protection and tenderness. And we have, I see you. I see you. Look, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you looking at me. And I know those dimples, ooh wee, those dimples that appear when I laugh bring a smile to your lips, to your own lips. Okay, let's see what else. Reveal yourself. What do you want to tell the collective right now? Any more messages about what you notice when they look at you? Ooh, we have hair that frames his face like a work of art. Hair that frames his face like a work of art. We have, oh, look at this. I see you. I see you looking at me. And I know my tousled hair gives off that casual yet captivating vibe you can't resist. Ooh la la. What else do they want you to know? Okay, we have, they could be younger than you. They could be younger than you. For some of you, they may have freckles. Okay, freckles. What else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? They could have brown skin. Okay. Deep, soulful eyes that reveal a world of emotions. And I feel like we can see this energy here heavily with the eyes of looking towards one another. Looking towards one another. I see you. You see me. I see you. You see me. I see you. You see me. Tousled hair that seems to dance in the wind. There's something to do with the hair as well. Energy of like the way you move. I feel like this is energy. It's like your neck, your face, the hair. It could be something that they admire, and it's something that you might admire about them as well. Because look, we've got hair again, locks, dreadlocks. For some of you, this person may have locks. You may have locks or dreadlocks. Okay? Basically, it's the same thing, but in the black community, we call it locks. we stay away from the dreads. Okay, the dread, because it's like we shouldn't dread here. You see what I'm saying? We don't. That's why we don't call it the dreads. All right. Let's have a look. Full lips. Full lips. This could be something that they really admire about you. This could be something that you admire about them. Ooh la la. Okay. Any more messages? Oh yes, we have dark skin. So they could be dark skin. I feel like this person could be any skin complexions, but there could be like different shades of different skin complexions. We have ombre here. We have braces. We have stocky. Okay, reveal yourself to the collective. What does the collective who chose pile 2 need to know? We have, they could be athletic. We have again, there's a lot of strong energy of I see you. So I feel like this person intuitively, or they could be very observant. They notice those looks that you gave them. They notice those kind of like long stares. I see you looking at me, and I know you're drawn to my strong, broad, ooh la la, shoulders that give you a sense of protection. So this person could have made you feel that way. Okay, perhaps it's like this, like strong protective energy. Ooh, something wants to come out. Ooh, we got one of glasses. So they may, for some of you, they may wear glasses. We have muscular again. Strong energy about muscular shoulders. We have tall. Okay. Right, we're going to make this the last shuffle. Last shuffle. Show the collective what they need to see on the last shuffle. Thank you. We have here again, it's back to I see you, I see you, I see you. I see you looking at me, and I know my scent lingers, leaving an impression that keeps you close, even when I am not around. So I see you looking at me, and I know my scent lingers, leaving an impression that keeps you close, even when I'm not around. So this person is like I feel like they could fantasize a lot. Perhaps they daydream a lot, and they cannot, and perhaps that daydreaming is like they've also tapped into that energy of being able to intuitively and telepathically send you messages where sometimes you could it's like, oh my gosh, why am I thinking about John? Why am I thinking about John? Like, and it could be just like in random parts of the day, but it's this person is also sending this energy, okay, especially if you've had a lot of connection, okay, with the lovers, because it's the lovers is showing up as the energy that you both had. So there's the strong energy of love here. And we have hands that move with grace and purpose. Okay, so we are going to look into some couple of more messages. Let's start with this deck and see what messages wants to come through from their higher self. Okay, we also have some messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Okay, so the DM to the DF, some hobbies and interests, just things about them to kind of help you to know who this person, or to help describe this person, and for them to reveal who they are. Okay, right. So I'm getting a message. Take a good sip. I got some sip of water. You ready? We're gonna take a good sip. Right. Show the collective what they need to see. Okay. Right. So I'm gonna sing that song to bring that energy. Woo! We've got some messages already though. I find myself thinking of. Ooh, look at this. The song is I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. I find myself thinking about you when doing everyday tasks. Didn't we just say that earlier? That they could be sending you those kind of telepathic messages back and forth. And you can find yourself in the most random times in the day because they're thinking about you. They're thinking about you. Okay? That could be the reason why I felt that it's like this message was like, no, make a very sing along, singy songy type of reading today. Although, we always have that kind of vibrant energy to the reads, but it's very much an energy here. Skilled musician. So someone could be a skilled musician, or they could be very creative or skilled in some shape or form. Okay. Especially how we have lots of kind of messages coming up that they do something with their hands, okay, or some type of work with their hands, okay. Right, so let's do that shuffle. We'll sing the song and shuffle. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue, blue. Okay. So we have quite a few messages that we need to read. Right, let's get these. Let's just read. Let's just read. Let's just read. Let's just read. We have the sound of your name brings a smile to my face every time. Every time. They could be a sports enthusiast. You have a unique ability to make my problems disappear with a single glance. Your voice is like a beautiful melody that lingers in my mind. Again, we have that athletic energy here. There could be a strong athletic build. Message for some of you. Social and outgoing parties, gathering. This could be something. I feel like I'm getting the message the last time they saw you. There could be something to do with. There's a song that's coming to mind, and I feel like it could have been the last time they saw you, or there could be something significant about seeing you in an outfit. Okay. I long to explore every corner of your mind and heart. And we have my heart skips a beat when I see you. In fact, every time I see you, because damn, you are fine. Okay. Right, let's see if there's any more messages that wants to come through for the collective. Okay, before we move on to the late night thoughts, we're just gonna shuffle and just see what wants to pop out. Yeah, let the good times roll. 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 Okay, I'm gonna pull that one because it's coming out. Last shuffle, last shuffle. Woo wee. Okay, thank you. Right. Just have a look and see if there's any that popped up. Nope. Oh, yes, we got that one. Look at that one. Yes. Yep, I think we got them all. Yep, here we go. That's it. We got them all. Okay, so let's have a look now at all of these flyaways. There's a lot of messages here for the collective. A lot of messages for the collective. A lot of messages for the collective. A lot of messages. Right, so we have dazzling smile. Dazzling smile. Yoga meditation practitioner. Okay. Well-groomed beard. Being with you is effortless. It just feels right. And perhaps with the yoga, it could be something to do with fitness. It could be something that they do it like as a way, as a healing kind of therapeutic exercise that helps them to release, let go of things that are not aligned with them. Okay, so they can bring in good namaste energy. Okay, we have ambitious, driven, cooking and culinary. Okay, foodie. Okay, we have I've never met anyone as fascinating and as intriguing as you. This person, this person is, I'm thinking about you and I'm feeling you 'cause you are so damn fine. I just want you to be mine. Hey, your energy alone brings me a sense of calm and comfort. We have confident stride, a music lover with a diverse taste. Okay, I'm scared of losing you because you have become so important to me. So there's again, there could be some fears, okay, as we could see here earlier, some worries that they know they need to let go. We have the DM to the DF, the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Our separation really helped me to see that you deserved so much more. And I feel like this could have helped this person to recognize they needed to go through a period of growth to help them to see what they have, okay? And to recognize that you weren't just a piece of the pie, you were the pie. You were the pie, okay? And perhaps they were getting distracted by all these different things going on around them. You bring out the side of me that I didn't know existed. You're the missing piece that completes the puzzle of my life. Now, this came out in Power 1. We have expressive eyebrows. So this could help you to know who this person is. I feel like the message I'm getting is when they are having those moments when thinking, oh my gosh, you look so good. And it's like the eyebrows may kind of, you know, like I feel like this person can be very animated in their face. We have mesmerizing voice. So they can have a mesmerizing voice. It could be something that they really admire about you. Okay. So now we're going to look into some late night thoughts. But before we do, we're going to pull out a message from the Good Karma and see what messages wants to come out for their intentions. We're going to look into their intentions. Okay. So for the collective who chose Pile 2, what are their true intentions towards you? What are their true intentions towards you? Their true intentions. Look at this. Let's see what's significant at the front and at the back. We have the Ace of Cups. And we have the Page of Pentacles, the Page of Coins. So this is like the energy. Look at what is that? It's the lovers. What is that? It's the lovers. Hey, it's popped up twice. So you know what that means. They want to reconnect this. They want the joy. You know, there might be some kind of energy of thinking, how can I get around it? And perhaps even if it's trying to find some way to make contact, because it's like now they're recognizing, look, it's something's not in sync, and I feel like they realize this is not in sync, and they don't want it to end up like this. It's like if the situation is kind of giving them like some kind of headache, and it's like now they want to come forward to you. It's created this situation of a tower moment, and I feel like the tower moment could also be breaking all these things that was not aligned. Perhaps it could be habits, it could be people that were around them, and it's not now they're stepping into this energy of the King of Swords, recognizing that they have to, and I feel like it's like be confident in their decision making. Perhaps this person could have had issues with making taking confidence or gaining confidence in how they thought and feel, and perhaps they could have been swayed by others around them to kind of say, oh, you know, you're still young, or I'm kind of getting the message like you're still young and stuff like that, and not recognizing like, no, Jane was somebody who is like, Jane is that person for me. Okay, Jane is that person for me. Now, I'm drawn to the surrender card. We're going to see what needs to surrender here. It looks like they have already come to that realization that they need to let go of something. But let's see what wants to come out. What do they need to surrender? What needs to be surrendered to improve this situation? Let's have a look. For the collective who chose pile 2, what do they need to hear? What do they need to know right now? We have, thank you. Surrender procrastination. Surrender procrastination. Surrender procrastination. You got to surrender it. Now is the time to just jump, move, go forward on that goal. Instead of putting it off, taking action will attract success. Look at the success here. Look at it. Look at that. 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 This person wants this. Perhaps it could be an interracial, not for some of you, okay? But this could be, you know, I'm getting fire and desire. Fire and desire. I think that's Rick James. Oh, I can't remember the female singer, but she's one of a female singer that I love as well. Okay. But there's a strong energy of there's love here, and it's like this person wants to find their way of coming back to you, finding their way of coming back to you. So, last but not least, no, rewind. Hey, so we got a bit carried away. We didn't even do. How come we need to do the late night thoughts? Right. So, these late night thoughts want to come out. Right. So we're gonna just let them come out. We're gonna quickly sing the song and let them fall out. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Yay! Yep. Thank you. So we got quite a few messages that came out. Ooh-wee. So we have their laughter in the night is the most seductive melody I've ever heard. So if you've had every conversations or laughter, or they could even just be daydreaming, wondering what it would feel like, what it would be like. Okay. The way they trace their fingers, ooh la la, along my skin sends tingles down my spine. Their touch on my skin still lingers in my memory, leaving me craving their closeness. Craving their closeness. And look at the closeness with the lovers being here. Look at that. Fire and desire. They have a way of making me feel desired and cherished. The most intimate moments. Ooh-wee. The taste of their skin. Ooh-wee. There is a lot of passionate energy coming through. Look at all that energy. Look at the water overflowing. The cup is overflowing. So you know there's a lot of energy here. The taste of their skin on mine is an intoxicating elixir of desire. Again, desire. The playfulness and flirtation's charm always leaves me wanting to play along. Ooh-wee! Their passion and vulnerability intertwine, creating an unbreakable bond between us. Unbreakable bond. This is the lover's energy again. The lover's here. The lover's here. The lovers, lovers, lovers. Yeah. Okay. Their eyes hold a magnetic gaze that ignites a passionate fire within. And we have their warm embrace is like I'm wrapped in a blanket. It's like I'm wrapped in a blanket of love. I'm wrapped in a world of tenderness. 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 So we are going to end the read here with a intuitive travel imagery. Okay, let's see what wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 2. Let's see what they need to see. So for the collective who chose pile 2, what message do you need to see? Okay, I'm going to put some energy into it, okay, because there's a lot of fire and desire. Okay, I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Thank you. Let's have a look and see. For the collective who chose pile 2. Ooh, yeah. There's a strong yoga reference here coming through. A strong yoga reference. Perhaps this could be something that was like some kind of activity you've both done. It could be something that they would love to do. They would love to, again, share their hobbies and their interests with you. It could be this person now wants to take an invested interest, taking that time to wanting to do those things with you, wanting to grow with you. You know, if we seeing that we have the 6, the lovers, and another 6 coming up, okay? If we add the 6 together, 6 plus 6 makes 12. We break it down again. 1 plus 2 makes 3. That's the energy of the Empress. But that's also the energy of growth. That's the energy of expansion. This person has taken a level of maturity now and really recognizes the importance of this union. And now it's just for them to get out this energy of procrastination. Okay? Take the energy of the Knight of Wands and run with it. Okay? So, for the collective who chose pile 2, okay, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages that resonate and leave, but to say it with power, leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Power, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay, so be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, stay hydrated. Give us a thumbs up, okay? Share, like, comment, click on that notification bell so you don't miss a beat around here. And we'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we have pile 3, okay? And we are exploring today their current feelings, you know, the last time they saw you, what they're thinking and feeling, and the song lyrics that came to mind, okay? I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. So we are going to explore and see what wants to come through. This could be a person on your mind. This could be a crush. This could be a current love interest. This could be someone in your recent past, recent energy, or an ex that wants to come through in the read. So we're going to see Wagwan. Wagwan is Jamaican Pat when it simply means what's going on. Okay. So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage. I've got some water to keep me hydrated and gathering those intuitive, juicy gems, okay? So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea, okay? Give us a thumbs up. Click on that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comments, okay? We love your juicy comments. All right, let's get into it and let's see Wagwan. And you have a look on the live tab as well for some summer love pick a card readings available every summer, available every Sunday for the rest of the summer. Okay, all right, let's have a look and see. Wagwan. Okay, so we're just gonna hold these cards and we're gonna channel this energy with those song lyrics, okay, while we shuffle, okay, and see what messages need to come through for pile 3. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Let's see. So who's thinking about you and the things you do? Okay, it could be maybe focus on the last time they saw you. Okay, could be their thoughts and feelings of like how they feel currently about you. Ooh, we have this up. We have a tower. So there's been some strong energy here, and it feels like with the justice being here, justice is required. It looks like someone wants to come out of this energy. Okay, it's kind of like an energy of kind of just feeling really desolate, like not sure if this could even if this could even if amends could even come from this. Okay, look what's here. We have the Page of Swords. This could be somebody who has paid a lot of time or attention on what you're doing. Okay, I feel like this could be an energy of someone who is in strong who has a strong energy of regret. Okay, because look what we have here, the High Priestess in reverse. I feel like this is kind of like an energy of like your gut is you will know who this is. This is somebody that there's been some kind of, I feel like there was some kind of dramatic end, or there was some kind of like very a memorable ending. Okay, but I feel like this person's in strong regret because look what's here. We have the Temperance. This person wants to repair this situation that took place, okay? Because we have strong energy of the Justice card being here, okay? With the Five of Pentacles being in reverse and the Tower being in reverse, okay? So based on this, we're going to have a look and see what was going on, okay? Let's see if there's any messages from the middle. So this with the Seven of Cups, there could have been some kind of like distractions. Someone's not prioritizing. Perhaps there was some kind of cheating going on. Okay, for some of you, this could have also been somebody who may have taken you for granted or not recognizing or really putting a lot of interest or time in the union, and it caused a lot of issues. Okay, so we're gonna ask what is their intention? What is their true intention? Why do they want to come towards you? But we'll use this good karma deck. What is their true intentions? Why do they want to come towards you? Okay, so we'll sing that song again. Do you remember it? You want to sing it with me? Let's do it together. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Okay, let's do it again. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Ooh, we have the Four of Pentacles. We got a Four of Pentacles. So there's a lot of energy here about holding back. It could have also been perhaps this person, I feel like in terms of showing love, giving love, or even their money, it could have been wrapped up in how they envision exchange of love. Okay, I feel like it could have caused a lot of issues there. There could have been a lot of selfish behavior coming through. Okay, if we look what's going on with the Four of Pentacles, it's a very kind of selfish energy going on. Okay, let's have a look and see what's significant at the front and at the back. Yes, so I feel like with the Three of Pentacles being here, perhaps this person has taken some time. I feel like for some of you, maybe this person has gone and sought advice from elders. They may have sought advice from friends. They may have sought advice perhaps from like a therapist or some kind of like, or even like a relationship coach or life coach, to kind of get some advice of how they can do better, be better. Because look what's here. There has, I feel like there was a lot of energy around arguments, disagreements, perhaps not seeing eye to eye at times, not seeing. I feel like it's also not feeling like this was going anywhere. This was going anywhere, okay? Because we have the full energy of the four. So there's like a strong energy of stability here, as well as with the five of Pentacles and the Five of Wands. Okay, perhaps mixed visions on where you both wanted to be. Okay, so again, I feel like there's definitely somebody who is trying to think about what you're doing and the things that you do on this blue moon. Okay, they're looking back, thinking, "Oh my gosh, look what's behind that." It could be someone who thought you recognized and saw you as somebody that they want to grow with the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like their intentions, look at what's going on here as well with the good karma deck, is that they're recognizing that they want to come towards you. They want to come towards you. Now, you should always trust your intuition, use your discernment every time. But there is someone who's recognizing that things haven't been the same since you haven't been around. And I feel like if this has been for some of you like taking a break so you can both work on your differences, so that, and then to come back and see how you can work on improving this relationship. Now I feel like this feels very heavy on and someone like a separation or a or so I feel like there's a strong separation energy or an ex energy that wanting to come towards you. Okay, now if there is a crush, it could be someone who's watching from the background who is trying to, perhaps you could be working with this person could be thinking about what you're doing, what you're up to. They could be trying to see if you are both compatible, but I feel like they could also be trying to see if you're both compatible by trying to gather as much information from you, okay, or about you, rather than taking that kind of like the courage and it, not just holding everything to themselves, but really come forward and saying that they truly feel for you, they truly have strong feelings for you, okay? Um, but yes, look at the magician being here. Okay. So there's definitely this energy of wanting to manifest you in. There's definitely somebody who has come forward and it's like they're recognizing, it's like they've developed a higher sense of logic, being able to rationalize. It's almost like they're realizing that they were arguing over stupidness, really petty things. There was, especially how this is always, this message has come through in the power of three, okay, which three represents the energy of expansion and growth, okay. This person may have been very immature and they realized that, and now it's like with the strength card, it's like they've had to grow up. They've had to open up that lion's mouth to really recognize what they were doing and to recognize that they had a very immature attitude when it comes to relationships and union, and a connection. Okay, and I feel like with the Two of Swords being here, it's like they had to make a choice. Okay, and I feel like this person recognized they had to make a choice, like perhaps they even started to recognize with the Tower being in reverse and the Five of Pentacles, they were self-sabotaging. They were self-sabotaging and it was impacting them and the relationship they had with you. And it's like now they recognize with the Chariot, they want to come towards you, they want to give you an offer. Okay, I feel like they also want to kind of tell you how things are, okay, and what they've been up to, and perhaps like celebrate and catch up with you. But I feel like the devil there, I feel like it's also there's a message of caution of trusting your intuition and using your discernment, because we have the Emperor here as well. Okay, so let's have a look, because we see in this deck there's a Page of Cups. Let's see what else they want to. Let's see behind that. So we've got the Ace of Swords, we've got the Page of Pentacles, okay, Knight of Pentacles. We have the Three of Pentacles here. So they definitely could have been talking to others about how they can work towards improving their energy. Now, if we see the love that's coming through, we can see it's the younger energy with the Page of Cups. So I do feel like perhaps this person may have not always felt comfortable or at ease in expressing their love energy, but at the same time, with this Ten of Pentacles, it's showing you they do want a successful family life. They do want that energy of like marriage, growth, expansion. So, and they're taking on this attitude of like they have to take on the role of the Magician and the King of Swords and really kind of use this energy to get the confidence that they need. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna ask why are they thinking about you? Why are they thinking about you on this blue moon? Why are they thinking about you on this blue moon? Why are they thinking about you on this blue moon? Why are they thinking about you on this blue moon? Because they have love for you. They have love for you. They have love for you. And it's like your energy meant that they had to break themselves out of this. They had to break themselves of this selfishness. Now, I feel like this selfishness could have also been something that they've developed through childhood, through growing up, as a way to manage their own emotions. I feel like perhaps they came from a very controlled family in terms of no one was really expressive. No one was really in terms of their relation, in how they showed love to one another. As we can see, this person is showing up as a Page of Cups, and I feel perhaps when it came to love, it's almost like, because we can see lots of pentacles, money, gifts may have been a way to kind of show that language of love. But I feel like with the Justice card being here and the Tower in reverse, we're saying no, that had to break, because if you really want the Ten of Pentacles, if you're really about that life, if you are really about that life, then this kind of holding on and being stiff and you know, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. When what you truly want is this. Look at that overpouring of love. Then you have to be about that. You have to show that. Okay? And be comfortable with it. And not hold on for dear life. Okay? Look at that. Look what we have. We have the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Again, they have to release it. They have to release it. Now, this could be something that they're really, it's like it has been tormenting them at the same time. Okay, I'm getting like this sudden feel to itch. Okay, it could be like they have this feeling of like, oh, I've got to change. I've got to change. I've got to come out this way. And this could be what is causing that tower internally in them, because it's like, look, healing has to take place. With the Star, they've got to release it, because if they want this, look at this. Look what the cards are saying in both decks. Temperance is here. The Temperance is here. They've got to find that peace in themselves. They've got to build that peace, because look, they want the Six. They want the Six of Wands, and look what's behind that. So this person's been playing. This person's been playing with the Four of Swords. They're sitting, dwelling on it. This person wants this. Look what's here again. The Ten of Pentacles. The Two of Wands is here. They want this. They want to come towards you. But I feel like it's like this person has recognized they've had to come out of their own way. There's this strong energy of self-sabotage. So we are going to have a look now at some additional messages. Let's start with the Jamaican proverb. Okay, we'll sing that song to bring the energy in. Okay, regarding this person in your mind. Okay, how they feel, whether it, if it's a crush, if it's a love interest, or if it's an ex or somebody, there could have been some kind of like blockages there in terms of how they see, how they value when it comes to love, and release that kind of monetary value or some kind of exchange attitude that they may have had. That could be of something that they've witnessed or observed, and they've taken it on, adopted it for their own, and recognizing that it just wasn't working. It wasn't giving them what they want. Okay, so I'm gonna take one quick sip. Let's do it. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Hey, let's see what wants to come out. Bring this energy. Okay, thank you. Look at this. We have every cave hole have its own duppy. Every cave hole have its own duppy. So in a Jamaican patois style, every cave hole have its own duppy. Every cave hole have its own duppy. Okay, this simply means every cave, okay, every cupboard, every kind of like hole has its own skeleton. So a duppy can represent like the energy, some kind of like spirit energy. It can represent like the energy of like someone has things that they have to hide. And I feel like this energy is this person's energy. It's like, look what they're holding on to these things. It could be like they may have held on to grudges. They may have held on to almost like always putting themselves as the victim in the situations, and it could have been their way of managing or dealing with things. Okay, I feel like this, and I feel like perhaps this person is also, it's like they come across in this very immature way at times when it comes to love relationships. But I feel like this person realizes they have to take on this King of Swords energy and deal with it, like deal with the matter on their chin. Okay, let's look what we have here. Everyone has their own skeletons, and I feel like there could have been also a risk, a fear or apprehension to getting involved, almost and I feel like it's the fear of feeling like they're gonna be abandoned or left or things like that. And it could be just their deepest like insecurities that are holding them back again, and strong energy of self-sabotage. Okay, strong energy of self-sabotage. Okay, so we're going to have a look now. I'm getting the message to have a quick look and ask, why do they keep doing that to themselves? Why do they keep doing that to themselves? Why do they keep doing that to themselves? Okay, why do they keep doing that to themselves? Ooh, thank you. We have, look, the Page of Swords. So I feel like with the Page of Swords, look at both decks are showing the same cards. Okay. I feel like with the Page of Swords being here, it's almost like they may have been stuck in comparing their lives with others, comparing their lives with peers. Perhaps they've been made to feel that way by people around them. It could be even their own family, and that perhaps when it's almost like they might have done really well in terms of their career, but in terms of their love life, it's not been that great. So they overcompensate with other things around them, or trying to appear and look really busy to fill that void. Okay, but I feel like this person does really want to change, and they are, it's almost like they might be doing, perhaps they could be doing a lot of journaling, writing it down, trying to talk or speak things in existence. Could be sort of the magician there, wanting to manifest better for themselves. But they recognize that they have to go through this period of they've got to make a sacrifice here so that they can gain balance, okay? Because the Justice card is also that energy of having to make a sacrifice for something to so that balance can be restored, okay? And for the balance to be restored is they've got to pour more love energy into their life. And I feel like this is why this strong energy of coming in, I'm thinking about you and the things that you do. And there could be a strong energy about the last time they saw you. So we're going to have a look and see what else wants to come through, okay? Now let's see what's significant at the front and at the back. So we still have the Five of Pentacles in reverse, as well as the Temperance being there. So it's definitely a strong energy of them needing to change. And with the Star, healing is required. This is now a time for healing. The Tower being in reverse is saying, look, no more of this now. No more. You've got to stop this. It's not serving you. It's not in line with you. It's not helping you. Do you see what's going on with this Tower here? The Tower, it's like a sudden catastrophe has just happened. Okay, their world has been shaken. Everything that they thought about, they believed in, it's like, brap, it's gone. Now they've had to, now, you know, and let's say they may have still been in that energy of denial, still been in that energy of like, oh, I'm still going to be okay. It's like, nope, no more. No more. How much do I have to tell you? Do I have to keep going round and round? Okay. Do I have to keep going around now? I'm getting a reference to there used to be an Australian children's show, and it's like it was based in a light tower. I feel like it was Australian or New Zealand children's show, and it was something like going round the twist, something about the twist, going round the twist. If anyone does know that, put it in the comments down below. Okay, but there's definitely healing needs to take place. No more. You know more. And I feel like it's almost like the divine's energy saying, look, you say you want this, and I can see that you want this. You want love, but yet you're moving yourself, you're taking yourself away from every opportunity for it. No more. No more. Stop playing with yourself. You know you like Jane. You know you like Jane. And you know she's a good person. You know, and that's what I'm getting. You know that this person is a good person for you. Stop playing. Stop playing when this is what you truly want. Stop looking, stop watching, and just go out there. Get the confidence. Recognize what you need to do. Okay? Put your best foot out there and run with it with the Ace of Swords. Go on, take some time, show that you're interested, okay? Show that you're interested and that you're willing to, take the time, look at that with the Knight of Pentacles. Work on yourself in the meantime, okay? So you can let this burden just come off your shoulders. But if you continue to do that, you're going to see the rewards come through. Look at that. Things are going to come. You're going to cut all this energy that's not serving you so you can defend what you truly want in your life. And grace, look, it's still going to bring good opportunity your way. And the Hangman being here, okay? Look at that. Okay, so now we are going to look at some messages, okay? Let's start with these name tags and do a little sing-along. I'm thinking about you and the thing you do on this blue moon. All right. For the collective who chose pile 3, okay, what messages do they need to see right now? Okay. Thank you. So we have, I love the way you look at me. We have, I want to message you. I want to message you. Okay? And you can see that with this energy of the pages, it's like this watching, take the action and stop worrying. Okay? Every moment with you is a beautiful chapter. Look at this. I love you. This is the energy. I love you. You are so sexy. You are so sexy. Yes, you are. Look at this. Will you accept my call? So they want to come. Will you accept my call? Your happiness means the world to me. Your happiness means the world to me. We have your eyes speak a language only my heart understands. We have your laughter fills my soul with joy. Your laughter fills my soul with joy. You are so hot. You are so hot. Hey, we have here thinking of our memories warms my heart. Ooh la la. Can I call you again? Look, this messages. Can I call you? Can I talk to you? Can we message? Okay. I'm sorry I hurt you. I'm sorry. And I feel like they are genuinely sorry because I feel like it's their own self-sabotaging that damaged this union. This is what I'm getting, or damaged this union from getting to be bigger and what they truly desire, which is the Ten of Pentacles. I see you looking at me. Okay, so we're going to look at that deck because there's some messages coming through that they could have noticed that, you do have feelings there as well. Okay, so we're going to start with that deck. Take a nice sip of water. And we're going to start with this deck, okay? Right, we'll do a little shuffle. Okay, they've been thinking about you, their current thoughts, their feelings. Okay, sing that song again. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Now let's see what wants to come through for the collective. So reveal your inner thoughts, your inner feelings. Let us know what's going on, okay, and what you noticed, what you've observed. Ooh, yes. And we're just gonna let those messages all come out and then read them. So reveal all the messages the collective need to see. Thank you. Reveal all of the messages the collective need to see. Reveal all of the messages the collective need to see. Reveal all the messages the collective need to see. Tell them what you want them to know. Let all of your inner feelings come out. Release those blockages. Let them know all of those feelings right now. It's okay. You can let it all out. Any more? Any more? Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Okay, thank you. Look at all these messages that's come out. Ooh la la. So we're going to read all these messages and see what messages they want you to know right now. Okay, so we have, I see you. I see you. I see you looking at me, and I know you're enticed by the depth of my voice resonating with every word I speak to you. Ooh la la. So there may be the gray eyes, brown eyes, a voice that is deep and soothing like a calming melody, okay? Eyes that seem to hold the secrets of the universe. Ooh la la. We have strong arms that make you feel safe and cherished. Olive skin, okay? An athletic build that speaks of determination and vitality. Okay, we have tattoos. Okay, I see you looking at me, and I know my intense, expressive eyes have caught your attention, communicating a depth you want to explore. Ooh la la. Tousled hair that seems to dance in the wind. Dark skin. So there could be a variety of different skin complexions, different eye colors going on. We've got medium skin, okay? So medium skin tone. It could be any complexion, okay? Tall, they could be tall. Ooh la la. We have thin, slim. They could be thin or slim. We have a confident stride that commands attention, okay? Hands that move with grace and purpose. We have, I see you looking at me, and I know you're captivated by the way my well-defined jawline adds a touch of rugged charm. Ooh la la. Okay, we have pale skin. We have thin lips. We have a medium long hair. Okay, we have a presence that draws you in, making you feel at ease. Who is this person? Sit with your intuition just for a little while and let this person reveal who they are. So I'm going to ask this person who's coming through into the reads for the collective who chose Power 3, reveal who you are. I'm going to let that sit and let that energy come through. Put it in the comments who you think it might be. Okay. Brown skin. Again, could be anybody. Brown hair. Captivating laughter that brightens up any room. Ooh la la. We have facial body piercings. We have stocky. I see you looking at me, and I know my tousled hair gives off that casual yet captivating vibe you can't resist. I see you. There's a lot of I see you messages, okay? I see you looking at me, and I know you're drawn to my strong, broad shoulders that gives you a sense of protection. And we know that because we can see the Page of Swords is this energy of looking, watching, observing, noticing, okay? Locks, dreadlocks. So they could have locks, okay? In the black community, we call it locks, okay? In like the wider community, people would call it, or mainstream may call it dreadlocks, but we don't see the dread in it. You see what I'm saying? We don't see the dread. We see the locks. Right. Long hair. Sparkling eyes that reflect his sense of wonder. Ooh la la. Again. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you looking at me, and I know my confident and relaxed posture makes you feel at ease in my presence. Ooh la la. Plus size. They could be plus size. We have bold. A voice that resonates with authenticity and depth. Ooh la la. Hair that falls in waves, adding to his magnetic charm. A smile that reaches his eyes, showing true happiness. A gentle touch that conveys both strength and tenderness. Tan skin. So again, it could be any skin complexion, any eyes color. It could be bald, have hair. They could be tall, stocky, athletic, plus size. So it could be any person. Okay, take the messages that resonate. So we're going to look at a surrender card and see what needs to be surrendered. Okay, if this person truly wants reconciliation, or they want to To get that confidence, to stop self-sabotaging, what needs to be surrendered? Okay. What needs to be surrendered? Surrender to surrender to silence. Surrender to silence. And this is what we were saying earlier, just to sit in that energy. Let your intuition guide you. Okay? In quiet meditation or contemplation, let go and enter the stillness within. Silence can heal and replenish you. Silence can heal and replenish you. And you know, earlier we said that perhaps this person tries to fill that void of perhaps if they feel like they lack something, they may try to keep themselves so busy, but then it's like they're not learning how to be still, and that could be hindering them, okay, hindering their growth, okay, because it's also those missed opportunities to connect with your intuition and trust your intuition, okay. Hence the reason why we're seeing the tower in reverse, okay, because that strong energy of like there's a disconnect there, and balance needs to be restored with the justice card, okay. This person needs to recognize, okay, they need to check themselves, you know, because they're going into this kind of wrecking energy and they need to get checked, okay. So it's like this divine energy is like saying you need to get checked. Checkmate. Okay, you got to check yourself before you wreck yourself. All right, so we are going to look into some further messages. We're going to look into their higher self now. Let's have a look and see what messages want to come through from their higher self. What do they want you to know right now? Okay, and it could be messages from the divine masculine, the divine masculine to the divine feminine, so the DM to the DF. Let's have a look and see what messages wants to come through. And we're just going to let it just shuffle. Let it shuffle, okay, as we sing that song. And I'm going to take a quick sip. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Let it shuffle. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. I'm thinking about you and the things. Ooh, look at this. Yes, on the blue moon. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on the I almost forgot it, on the blue moon. Last shuffle now. Look at this. Oh, let this flow. Yes. Thank you. Right, so we're going to go through each message. Okay. I'm just going to get the ones on the floor. Just going to get the ones on the floor. Okay. Right, just got the ones on the floor. So we're just going to get these all in a little pile. And we're going to read all of these intuitive messages. Okay, so we're looking into their higher self now and see what they want you to know. Okay, let's have a look and see what they want you to know. So for the collective who chose pile 3, let's have a look and see what they want you to know. We have animal lover, pet owner, skilled musician. Your laugh makes my heart skip a beat. Your smile brightens up my day. Alluring scent. There's something about you that's so alluring. Yes, it is. Click your fingers and pat your back. Okay, we got full lips. Ooh la la. I trust you more than anyone else. You've earned it. So this person has a lot of trust energy for you. And I feel like it's also a lot of respect. We have radiant skin, movie buff, and cinephile. So they might be someone who really enjoys movies and things like that. We've got dimples, a dazzling smile. I cherish the moments we spend together. They are the highlights of my day. I'm amazed by your resilience in the face of adversity. Your intelligence and wit impress me more than you know. Athletic build, mesmerizing voice, piercing gaze. Ooh, hey, I value your opinions and insights more than you realize. More than you, this person really, as we can tell, they do have a lot of respect there. Okay, they may have not always been good at showing it, but we're looking into their higher self now, and their higher self is really coming through. Okay, light colored eyes. Perhaps you may have light colored eyes or a lighter colored eye to them. Okay, or they have light colored eyes. Okay, I've never met anyone as fascinating and as intriguing as you. Ooh la la. We have enjoys painting and artwork. Freckles. You have a unique ability to make my problems disappear with a single glance. You gave them that towel moment, did you, with that look? Okay, just one look. And I knew that you, you, you love. Hey, okay. I think that's Doris. If you do know that song, put it in the comments down below. Okay. You make me feel alive in every way. Music lover with a diverse taste. So they have a variety, okay? So if you are very familiar with me already, you may know I'm into lovers rock, reggae, okay? I like a variety of lots of things. R&B, we have soca, dancehall, the blues, pop, 80s, ballads, all those kind of things. Okay, so you may hear a lot of those kind of songs or things like that coming through into the readings. I feel a spark every time we touch. It is hard to ignore. Your touch ignites a fire within me that I can't ignore. I get nervous around you because my feelings are real. We have chiseled jawline, chiseled, ooh la la. I imagine a future with you, and it fills me with hope and excitement. Hope and excitement. I wish I could express how much you mean to me. The divine masculine to the divine feminine. Your energy inspires me to do better and be a better person. Strong, capable hands. Ooh wee. Hey. All right, so we're gonna look into their late night thoughts, okay? Before we come to a close, let's have a look at their late night thoughts. It could be things about how they think, like those those late night thoughts. It could be even things about the last time they saw you, okay? So let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Okay, get the message to sing that song again. Do you remember the lyrics? I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Just have a little run there, okay? So I'm gonna take another sip, okay, of my water. Okay, let's get into it. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Let's see now what they're thinking about. Ooh wee. So we have their whispers their whispered promises of love and devotion echoes in my heart. What else do they want you to know? We have their Again, it's whispers. Their soft whispers of affection are like petals of rose gently caressing my heart. Again, I feel like those late night thoughts are bringing those love messages really, they're really coming through. Those little subtle messages. In their embrace, I find solace, safety, and a love that knows no bounds. So again, it's this connection. Ooh, okay, what else do they want you to know? Okay, reveal those messages. Reveal those messages. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. You can reveal those messages. Let's have a look. Their desire for me is a flame that burns with a fierce intensity. Ooh la la. They're getting a bit more confident now. Go on with your bad self. Okay, so we have in their arms I find a haven where vulnerability is embraced and celebrated. Now I feel like this is where a lot of their self-sabotaging energy came from, because this could have been an energy that where they did not feel this, they did not experience that, and so money, gifts could have been a way of what they experienced in exchange for the lack of love, a lack of care, or the lack of emotional warmth and care they had for the around them. Okay. Their whispers of affection are like gentle breeze caressing my skin and soul. So I'm kind of getting this message that this person has a strong, this person may have a strong fancy or enjoys this idea of you saying subtle little subtle things to them, but it's like it's something that makes them feel, it gives them this kind of like feeling of being wrapped in cotton wool at the same time, or feeling this safe. I feel like it's like a safety of love, okay, or of the desire of having a loved one saying like cute things to them. In their arms, I find refuge from the world, a place where love is the only language spoken. See, it's this really strong energy of like this sense of security. Think of, we have here the Ten of Pentacles. This is the energy. It's this kind of energy of safety, security, building this energy together, okay? Generational wealth, all of these things combined, family life, the picket fence, okay? The mom and dad happily married, okay, saying sweet nothings to one another. This is what I envision, what this is going on in this person's fantasies and how they think of you. And perhaps they could also be very much a daydreamer as well. We have in their eyes, I see a reflection of love that transcends the physical realm. Look what's going on here in the Ten of Pentacles. And they're looking at each other, engaging with one another. Look at that energy. Okay? They're seeing that reflection. Okay. Ooh, we have a couple more. The way they explore. Ooh, now. The way they explore every inch of my skin makes me feel worshipped and adored. Ooh la la. Their touch is a tantalizing dance that leaves me breathless and yearning for more. Okay, last shuffle. Last shuffle. Thank you. We have their eyes hold a magnetic gaze that ignites a passionate fire within. So this person, it's like initially it was kind of looking like this person didn't really give a damn, didn't really care. But as we explore and pulled, it's like we started to pull down those layers to understand why the person have been the way they are, and then recognizing they could have been filling this void, and now it's almost like they've getting a lot of energy from the divine saying you can't do this to yourself anymore, because you are pulling yourself away from what it is that you truly want, what you truly want to you what you truly want to manifest. And this energy, the strong energy of the blue moon, okay, is telling them, look, you got to stop this now. You got to stop this now. You can't, you know, once in a blue moon, you can't be waiting for your next big deal in love in once in a blue moon. No, we're not gonna. No, this is not gonna happen. You've got to take that time now, build that confidence, work on yourself so you can come forward and make a serious offer. Okay? Because we see that you want this. We know that this is what you want. This is what you want. This is how you envision your love. Okay, how you see love in your own love, you like your love language is that you see it as security, growth, expansion with a loving family, loving partner. Let this happen for you. But you got to believe in yourself and run with it. Okay? So last but not least, we are going to end this read. Okay, it looks like a bit of a cake how it's piled up. Okay, we're going to end this read with an intuitive traveling message. Okay, what does the collective need to know right now from this message? Okay, let's sing one last time. Okay, I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. I'm thinking about you and the things you do on this blue moon. Ooh, that was a bit on this blue moon. Okay. Right, let's see what wants to come through. I hope you are enjoying these reads as much as I am. Okay, look at this. This is the Ten of Pentacles energy right here. Yeah, it's the Ten of Pentacles and it's the Ten of Pentacles energy right here. Yeah, it's the Ten of Pentacles energy right here. Hey, hey, it's the Ten of Pentacles energy right here. Hey, hey, hey. It's the Ten of Pentacles energy right here. Hey, oh, it's the Ten of Pentacles energy right here. Hey, hey, it's the Ten of Pentacles energy right here. Hey, look at this. What do you see? What do you see? I want to grow. I want to build. I want you by my side. Okay? I want to have this life with you. Okay? Where we can build and we can look back, okay, in our later years and be thankful for what we have, okay? Doing this together, building this wealth, building this life. We are building this wealth and life together. We are building. But I know it has to start with me first. But I wanna enjoy this with you. Yeah. So Jane, will you take my hand? Yes. As we enjoy this time together. I don't know why I don't. Has anyone watched Home and Away? I don't know why it's currently in my mind right now, and it's something in hope to be forever closer each day. Home and away. Yes, home and away. They want to enjoy these moments with you closer each day. So we're gonna leave it here. But for the collective, oh, the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages that resonate and we have to say it with power. Come on, do it with me. Do it with me. Leave the rest. Leave the rest. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay? I saw it go around here. I saw it go around here. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Power and it simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay? So be sure to give us a thumbs up. Click on that notification bell. subscribe, share, comment, okay? Bring in that good energy, okay? Come and join the Love and Light family around here, and be sure to look good, feel good, stay irie, okay? Stay blessed, keep sipping, stay hydrated, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.